What did you think of Zoe's performance?
Oh, well done, Zoe. It's not the best I've heard you sing it. I messaged you last night and you know, I said to you, do you want to record it again? Because I know you can do better than that. But it was still a fabulous performance. You've got such a gorgeous, rich tone to your voice. I feel like you could sing the phone book. But I like with that song, it showed both sides of your voice. It showed that gorgeous, soft falsetto style that you do really quite well. But it also showed the power that you've got there as well, which I think we haven't really seen equal sides of both in your previous performances, so it was really lovely to see that. You also showed off your range. You know, you can do those really high little flip notes, but you can also go right down there and give it some welly. So it was lovely to see that side of you, and the control you've got over your voice, it is just lovely, especially for your age. I think you've really got stunning control. So I think next week now, just work on, you know, show us something different again, and really work on showing us who you are and what you want to be as an artist. Show us something completely different. You know, you can do anything, and show us that. But well done, lovely performance.
Kelly?
I thought this was a really clever song choice for you, because I think the last two songs that you've done have really focused on your lower register and how much that's sort of like strengthened since we saw you last. And then this song really sort of like showcased everything else. You know, the belt, the head voice. You reminded me a little bit of Trinity. In the way that you moved your voice, and the vibrato that you had, that really thick, lovely vibrato. You reminded me a lot of what she used to do when she first came into this competition. And I think that you have really gone away. You have worked on yourself. You have matured. I think I'd just like to see that expand now into a little bit more originality with the songs that you're choosing, and just play with them a little bit more, and do something that's completely unique to you, because you completely have the ability, you have the voice, you have everything, you have the whole package there. You're more than able to do that. I think that's the only thing that I'd like to see you do now, is just explore what you can do personally with songs, and that's it, because other than that, it was a fantastic performance.
Yeah, Zoe, you came into this season, and I'm pretty sure I made a comment either on the last round or the round before, where I told you, you know, that you've got the ability to go right to the end of this process. And I mean that, and that's why I'm repeating it, and I still believe that. But if I'm being honest, I'm slowly starting to lose you a little bit. And now I know people in the surroundings of this competition are getting stronger, and we've seen a few people stepping it up, but I don't feel like you're stepping it up. That's being completely honest. You had an amazing way into this competition on your audition. And slowly, from this, I'm starting to slip back and think, oh, wait there now, she's losing herself a bit. Now, when you've done the process before, I know there would be weeks where you're the type of person where if I say, right, hit that note, sometimes go, I can't do that. You do have, you know, problems with your self-belief as a singer, but I want you to really, really take this on board, because this is the time to snap out of it right now. as I'm saying this. I'll say it again, you've got the potential to go right to the end of this, all right? But you can't just come out, that to me was easy for you, it was just safe. I don't want to see that. I want to see you own it. I want to see you blow the device apart, and I want to see you do what you are capable of, because I know you can do it. And I don't mean you've got to belt everything out. Kelly just picked up on a comment now about, you know, something that's more like you now, modern and contemporary, and challenging yourself for that. Is that what you said, Kel? It was something like that.
Making them a little bit
more unique and
to
thing.
her. Like when Trinity first came into the competition, she took songs and she really played with them. She
Yeah.
had that lower register.
And I totally agree.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I think you should do. Now, the songs you listen to today, the songs you listen to in the charts, or who's your favourite artist? I mean, there's so many that is perfection for you. Olivia Rodrigo, all of these sort of artists. This is exactly where I see you as a singer. Powerful, unique, and fresh and current. That's what I want to see from you. Other than that, it wasn't a bad performance. It was a good performance, but it was safe for me. I know you can do more, and I want you to bring more, because if you don't bring more, it's not going to stand out. So you got to bring it. Bring it because you can and you're capable of. Well done.